I'm Brooke.
Hi, I'm Tori.
Hi, I'm Stephanie.
And I'm Monet.
And you're watching
Attorneys React.
Thank you for letting me stay here, Ned.
Oh, no. No problem.
Oh, I forgot about this character. I love him.
Why are his ears like that?
It's like a costume.
Oh.
Hey, Mike. Like, I can tell you're down, but trust me on this. You're looking at Scarlett kicking you out of the house and the kids wanting nothing to do with you as a negative, when in fact, I guess it's mostly negative, isn't it? Really?
Yeah.
We should tell our clients.
Sometimes don't you feel like that's our job?
Yeah, like, I don't actually have a positive.
Sorry, let's just keep it moving.
What the hell are you doing? What the hell are you doing? Hey, that's my stuff.
Oh my god. Yeah, you can't do that.
Don't do this.
Yeah, you can't destroy. It's essentially community property, and she's destroying it, right? Even if it's an agreement that she's going to stay in the home, that doesn't deem her permission to destroy
his
items,
stuff,
personal
yeah.
property in the home.
You can get hit with the bill for like the value of that property. So, I don't know, like a leaf blower, $50, and you would have to pay the other person.
Yeah, I mean, the goal is keep the status quo, right? So that entails not destroying the other person's property.
The divorce isn't final for another 2 weeks, so you have no right.
Really? So I've spent the last 18 years of my life listening to you whine about all the things that you could have done without me, and I have no right?
That's not a good argument, especially in California, which is a no-fault state. California does not care about the intricacies of your marriage, as odd as that might sound. You know, they care about property division, they care about the kids' best interest, they care about the party,
Their income for support purposes, and maybe attorney's fees, but
a judge would be very annoyed if you got up there and were like, well,
he wasted 18 years of my life.
18 years of my life. They say, well, that's not a property division issue.
yeah, they're not going to even hear any argument.
Bye, Mike.
Bye.
That weather change, it's perfect.
Zac Efron, High School Musical era.
You look so young. Is this man sleeping in like a
He's a Star Wars fan.
spaceship thing?
Yeah.
So his ears are like that for funsie?
Yeah.
Oh.
Ned? Thief! No! It's me!
Oh, wow. I feel great.
Didn't they go to school together? I mean, I know he looks different. Oh, perfect.
Oh, my God.
I'm going back to high school, Ned!
No, oh, no way. Your spirit guide would not waste transformation magic on you reliving your senior year and going to prom.
What's wrong with that? I have not done anything for me since 1989.
Okay, you do what you have to do, but don't even think about sucking me into this with you. Hayden was the low point of my existence, and I vowed I would never go back to that godforsaken place. Never, ever, ever. Never, never, ever, ever. I'm here to enroll my son in school. Mark.
Sup?
Hello? Hello?
Where the hell are you?
Oh, the thing.
You mean our divorce? Do you take any of this seriously?
No, yes, I take this seriously. Yes, I take this. I had to leave the country. Very suddenly.
Are you with a girl?
No, it's a bunch of cheerleaders.
So, would you consider maybe dating a 10th grader?
What?
I think we could go for full custody.
You can't take my kids away from me.
Since when do you care?
Look, I'm a lot closer to them than you think. Let's reschedule, okay?
First of all, like, if he was paying for his attorneys, he wouldn't want to reschedule. He would not forget, because obviously he would have just paid all this money.
I mean, I guess if it's like a mediation, yeah, they can't proceed without you there. But if it's an actual, he said it was a trial. That didn't look like a trial.
No, it was mediation. Yeah. Trial, you might get one chance.
Maybe if he has an attorney, maybe the attorney can like plead their like, you know, we apologize, we don't know where our client is, we'd like to reschedule. Settlement. If I'm wife, I'm asking that husband pay for the next mediation session.
It's expensive.
Yeah,
you don't get a refund. So
Well, it's also funny that they like all called him as a group instead of his attorney being
Right,
like
privately being like, where are you? Yes.
What are we doing?
Yeah, it wouldn't be the wife calling, it'd be the attorney most likely.
The whole truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
You've requested a divorce by the state of California citing irreconcilable differences. Is this correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is Michael O'Donnell present?
No, Your Honor.
Then I take his absence as agreement to the orders of the divorce. Let's proceed.
His attorney would need to
His attorney would ask for a
and
continuance.
he would also not just say, no, Your Honor. There'd have to be a very good reason why he was not there.
yeah, I think if they give you one chance and you don't show up the second time, they would grant what the other person wants.
yeah.
You can't handle the truth!
Who are you?
That's my husband's best friend.
You a lawyer best friend?
Yes.
No.
I believe the law degree in my pocket says so. Yeah.
What would be the benefit of him being the attorney? Especially when he has not a very good attorney apparently, but he has an attorney there already.
Yeah, you want to explain what you're doing here?
We are stopping a gross miscarriage of justice. That
Yeah.
His real attorney would be like, what is going on?
Yeah.
I've got a letter here. I've got a letter from Mike O'Donnell. He's the husband in this case.
No, I'm sorry,
Mike-
but we're in the middle
Your
of...
Honor, if it's okay, I'd like to hear the letter, please.
I don't know what the attorneys are doing in this scene. They're just sitting there. The clients are doing all the talking. I suppose.
Well, and also the letter wouldn't do anything. So it's like, okay, give her the letter and get out of here.
Yeah, you don't need to read on the record.
It's not an exhibit. It's not evidence. Just, I guess you can give it to her, but it's not evidence.
Yeah.
I lost my way. And I blamed you for my failures. And I know that you think you have to do this today. And I don't want you to. But I guess if I love you, I should let you move on.
All right, son, you need to go now.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. Would it be okay if we postpone this for now for just a little while? Would that be okay?
Postpone 30 days. Next case?
What?
Did that happen?
No, I don't.
It's hard to get trial dates.
Yeah.
Once you get a trial date, it's hard to move it.
Especially just picking 30 days. Like the court has to look at its calendar and confer with the attorneys for availability, and it's so hard to get a good
It'll be
day.
like the next year or something.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Wow.
I would go check myself into a hospital, honestly. Like, if I ever started to believe that a 17-year-old was my husband...
I think I'm really losing it.
Yeah, and like, I understand that is compelling evidence. How did he speak like that? But I would just need to go to the hospital.
That goes to show you're a self-reflecting person, though. You're like, this means I would need to be.
This means something's wrong.
Scarlett! Scar? Scarlett?
Well, I can explain.
You can?
No, not at all. I thought I wanted a second chance at life, but now I know I just want a second chance with you.
Weird.
Yeah.
I missed you.
You reconcile, you can file a form called a request for dismissal, and both parties just sign off. You file it with the court, and your case is closed.
The state of California only recognizes one data separation. So, for example, let's say you separate I had a case that was similar to this fact pattern. You separate for 5 years, you acquire property during that time, and then you get back together. You know, in this particular case, they were claiming it's separate property. It was during our separation, but they reconciled. So that first separation date basically goes away.
Yeah.
So
once you reconcile, you didn't separate.
Yeah. So it does make the case. It can make the case more complex. But yeah, I'm sure that happens all the time where people just separate and
it's just
also,
easier. They work out, informal agreements and.
Yes, exactly. Yeah, I think that does happen quite a bit.
Yeah, I'm gonna put you down because this was a lot easier before.
Yeah, you did have that six-pack thing going. Is there any chance I'm gonna see that again?
I knew you were checking me out.
See, now she's talking about a child. Like, you
Yeah.
You can't.
It's a little odd, yes.
Just take some of those jokes out. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Just don't let me down.